Look at this.
It's really disgusting.
If you guys are going to throw up in this video, leave now and then come back because I need views. So, how that happened, I was walking through the road, walking home from wherever I was that day. I decided to get run over by a bulldozer. So I stepped in front of a bulldozer man and I asked him, "Can you run me over with your bulldozer?" He said, "Sure, why not?" So he got into his car. He ran me over with this bulldozer. I didn't sue him because I asked him, obviously. Yeah, it's been really hard for me to walk. We might want to pray for me because, I'm dying. That bulldozer really made me, die worthy. I'm too young to die. Please pray. Look at that.
It's really disgusting.
It's horrible. Horrible, I tell you, horrible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe down below and comment on any videos you guys want me to do next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, keep mastering life.